Hello and welcome to Chart TV for Monday the 24th of October. My name is Malcolm Gordon and tonight we're going to take a look at the XJO, the S&P ASX 200 benchmark stock market index here in Australia. Okay, in the last episode of Chart TV I called for the XJO to fall to between 4,300 to 4,320 and it has done exactly that. This bar here, which looks like a hammer, oh no, actually a doji formation. This is a sign of, usually indicates a reversal, and it also indicates institutional buying. If you move to an intraday chart of that session, you'll notice that the session opened, traded down, the market traded down lower. It touched, the low was 4,311. The market quickly reversed, then took off and traded up for the rest of the session. The market, interestingly, the market turned, made its low and reversed at 10:30. Usually the XJO makes its high or low within the first hour of trade, usually within the first half an hour. So it wasn't too surprising to see that. What's interesting is that the market moved down and touched my level so quickly. I thought it would take between 2 to 3 days. It did it within half an hour of the first session after my call. So it took me a little by surprise how quickly it moved. Updating you on how the market's looking now. We have, interestingly, I've had a look at the March high to the May low, and this was around a move of around roughly 8%. And at the moment, the September high, all-time high, was 4679. To the low on Friday was 4311. This is also a move of around roughly 8%. You can do the maths for yourself if you like. So looking at the MACD, I'd say that we are about to make a low in this market. Also, if we go to the weekly chart and we take a closer look at the bars there, zoom in. I've noticed that the range of the bars is decreasing, which shows a less of a commitment from the sellers. So the sellers are running out of puff. If we switch back to the daily and take a closer look at some support and resistance levels. No, not that. Support resistance is what we want. Okay, we have support at around the 4,300 level, which is what we have already touched and bounced off. We have resistance at the 4,400 level, and next resistance is 4,500. By the looks of things, I expect the market to sort of bottom around the 4,300 level and trade between the 4,300 to 4,400 level. I'm going to keep an eye on these levels. If it breaks out from 4,400, it may make a higher high than a higher low, then proceed to take off again. If it breaks down through the 4,300 level, I would expect it to retest this previous high here, which is about the 4270 level, and this low here, which is around the 4250 level. So it's a bit early to tell, but the levels to watch are around the 4300 level and the 4400 level, and judging by the MACD, I expect this market to bottom out soon and the selling pressure to dry up in the near term. Okay, that's been Chart TV for today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll keep you up to date in future episodes as we watch how this market unfolds. Thanks for watching.